Houston storms can hit without warning. Strong winds, heavy rain, sudden power outages. And when the storm passes, your comfort system matters more than ever. If your furnace or HVAC system struggles after a storm, small damage can turn into big problems. At Kingo Services Heating and Cooling, we help Houston homeowners stay safe and comfortable before and after the storm. Fast service, honest repairs, local experts you can trust. Don't wait for your system to fail. Call Kingo Services Heating and Cooling today and make your HVAC system working smooth.